we need to start from understanding chemistry and how does it play a role in society. So chemistry is basically at the basis of everything, right? We have consumer products, medicine, foods, and throughout the decades, I don't think we have been doing chemistry very um, environmentally consciously. And so we've been polluting the planet and then doing all these processes that are not sustainable. And so green chemistry is it's like an area, a movement of chemistry now that is trying to make things right. And so the GCI is here to provide the tools to students, to teach students resources that they can use in their research and their educational endeavors to teach these things, to make chemistry more sustainable nowadays. And that's how the GCI forms, basically, to create this space for students to learn.
The fact that this is a student-led group and they are doing so much, they have so the impact in our community is so big. To me, it's like it shows how students can make a huge difference in their universities, in their institutions, anywhere that they want.
I'm excited for green chemistry to kind of become more mainstream. I think in the past decade or so, there's been an enormous kind of educational effort geared towards undergrads, and of course these undergrads are now kind of coming up through the ranks, and they'll eventually become decision makers. And I think all those efforts are really going to bear fruit, and I'm very excited to see what chemistry begins to look like when that actually takes hold. And I'm very excited for that.